Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You open Pages and tap the plus icon to begin. Choose a template or blank depending on your goal. Make sure iCloud is enabled so edits sync automatically, which prevents lost work. Once the document appears, tap the body to bring up the keyboard and formatting bar. You can rename the file at the top. Doing that now keeps organization clear. From here, add text, images, or tables as the foundation for the next steps. You format text with the paintbrush icon. Select font, size, color, and alignment to match the look you want. Once done, tap the plus to insert photos, tables, charts, or shapes. Use charts for quick data visuals. Make sure to tap an object, then drag handles to resize and use arrange to send backward or forward. That controls layering. If you need consistent style, apply paragraph styles. This saves time when the document grows longer. You finish by exporting or sharing. Tap the three dots, choose Share, then pick Mail, AirDrop, or Save to Files. Export lets you create a PDF or Word, docx copy. Before sending, preview to confirm layout and images appear correctly. If you run into syncing problems, toggle iCloud for Pages off and on, sign out then back in, and make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active. That usually resolves stuck uploads, so your latest edits propagate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.